A lot of sirens going on tonight. But this cop here pulled this guy over just now. I heard the siren. Got a female cop with him. So we'll come up here, see what they're doing. She's gonna tell him somebody's recording. Watch. He's gonna turn around in 5 seconds or less. Watch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Eventually he'll look over here. Somebody's gonna tell him. He's doing a lot of explaining. He's looking at the VIN. Oh, look at this. We got the bike patrol. Did they have a DUI checkpoint somewhere? I didn't see one. So he's checking the VIN and see all the motorcycles go by. She talking to a passenger? Yeah, they're working the area tonight, man. So those motorcycles go by. I didn't know that. I don't know if there was a DUI checkpoint. I don't know where it was at. Or maybe they were working an event. Well, it's a little early though to break down the DUI checkpoints. I don't know why there was so many motorcycles. You know what I love too is when you come up to record and the cops tell the person, hey, he's recording you. He's gonna put you on YouTube. You know, try to get the guy pissed off. Or say, he doesn't want to be recorded. I don't care what he wants. You know, think something like that. I've had that a couple of times. That's a loud ass muffler. Yeah, I've had that a couple of times where I said, hey, he's recording you. Doobie doobie doo. Out here trying to earn some money, man, but only got one delivery so far. It's kind of a slow night. It's Friday night, right? People should be ordering wings and pizza and beer. Where are all these people at? Super Bowl really wear people out that bad? And they can't, order out next weekend? Yeah, see, that's how I earn my money. With side gigs. You know, not asking all of you for, hey man, can you guys pay my PayPal? Can you help me out with some gas? Food? Can you pay my GoFundMe? I don't do that. I do have a Cash App, but that's for me more or less just a tip jar. You know what I mean? I don't really promote it. I don't think I've talked about it in forever, for a long time. But I do have that. It's for a tip jar. I thought he was looking over here. Fly girl, fly girl, fly girl. That's the Boogie Boys, if you guys didn't know. You notice how in Yucaipa you get people to be like, leave the cops alone, or go get a job, you know. You come to San Bernardino and record, nobody says anything. You ever notice that? Interesting, huh? He is looking over here now. Girl. Yeah, it's interesting how that works, you know. Bless you. A cop sneezed. So I said, bless you. There are a lot of sirens tonight, man. There it goes, an ambulance. There's a lot of medical stuff going on tonight. I'm like, what the hell? No car accidents. It's all medical. Is it one of those nights where people are just, I don't know, is it something, kinetic energy or something that's causing people to get sick? Yeah, I uploaded the Manuel Mata video. What really got me, and it was at a funeral. Apparently he was at a funeral home. But what really got me was when he said, what did you handcuff me for? Well, I had intel that you were a wanted felon. And when he said, was I? He said, nope. That's what got me. I was like, what? And really, the cop just out of the blue? Nope. Then what did you handcuff him for? Well, I got intel. You didn't get intel. You wanted to handcuff the guy. You know, I mean, come on. That's intel. What kind of intel is it? So basically, since their intel was jacked up, he has a lawsuit for violation of right, deprivation of rights under the color of law. Deprivation of rights, you know? Fourth Amendment violation. And he has it on camera. The cops saying, no, we screwed up, kind of a thing, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's what the video uploaded with Manuel Mata. There's his citation. I heard him rip it off. Rip, rip, rip. Little perforated paper. So he's doing some more explaining. That driver is. And the cop's like, sorry, man. It is what it is. I try not to make eye contact with the cops. I intentionally avoid eye contact. I just do it, you know. If they say something like, oh, have a good evening or whatever, you know, I was raised right. I'll return their respect. But I try not to really look at them, and it's an intentional thing. So we'll wait until they leave. I'm not going to my car just yet. I'll keep it rolling. But that's it, guys. Hold on. Oh, they just put it in gear. So, let's see what it is. See if he turns. Nope.